All right, everybody. Let's check out one of the latest new listings in Midtown. So we're at like the bridge between basically like Bankers Hill area, like Little Italy, and Mission Hills, San Diego. So this one, right off the bat, you can tell pretty obviously this is a flip property just by the architecture style. You got the garage opening to the little courtyard here. And let's see this bad boy. I haven't been inside, so you're getting like a live first impression. Wrong key. Let's see what we got. Boom. Oh, alright, very nice. Right off the bat, I am liking the way this looks. Slider door opens up to the courtyard there. Let's just explore a little bit. Gotta say, it smells really nice in here. Like this bathroom, the bathtub moment, you got a little shelf back there, a little sitting spot. You got some skid marks in the toilet. Probably can't see those though, thankfully. Yeah, nice bedroom. I really like these beautiful big open windows. This is probably a good 4-foot window, really large, and then an open closet space there. Pretty decent size room, honestly. The little office space, or at least that's how it's staged currently. Living space, a little bit of an awkward setup because like a lot of times you look at these staged homes and you have to think about where the TV would actually go because they don't put TVs in staged homes. So you'd probably want like an L-shaped couch between here and here to bring that wall out and then mount the TV in the wall here. Assuming that there's some outlets back there, which there must be. There must be. A little glimpse of the backyard, and you can see the entire San Diego Bay out there. We're overlooking the airport right now. Let's see, so this is your laundry room that you can totally hide with this barn door. Dining room here. This is quite a nice space. Fit check for the day, flops. It's that kind of day, you guys. Really nice 4-note oven, 6 burners, good size. You could fit quite a few baking trays in there at once. Not sure how many of you are like home chefs, but I do a lot of cooking at home personally. Make sure I leave my business card for them. Let's see the outside here. Okay. Right on. So like I said, beautiful view. You've got Vine Street, just a couple streets over. That's where I did one of my most popular videos of all time. That one got about 2 million views. But you've got some really cool vibes on this little section of Midtown. This is like a little pseudo basketball court. You could probably paint some lines and make it into something. But it's really nice to have this much grass space, particularly in San Diego. If you wanted to develop it down the road, there's absolutely room for at least one ADU here, if not 2, if you wanted to go that route. Never hurt to offset your mortgage a little bit. Looks like we've got a little wine cellar down here potentially. I'm not gonna go in there. But judging by the window, you can probably spy the window down there just barely. Judging by the window, that's probably a wine cellar or just additional storage of some kind. Hopefully the audio is not too bad right now. You can see the peaks of downtown down there. Hopefully the audio is not too bad. It was quite windy out there. But back inside, we still have the upstairs to explore here. Ooh. I usually don't do this much talking on home tours. I'm like almost a little winded. Let's see here. What do we got? What do we got? This must be the master. Okay, kind of a narrow bedroom, honestly. Though I think that's a king size frame, it might be a queen. It seems like it's taking up a lot of space, or maybe it's just the little nightstands that are shoved into the corner. Ooh, yeah, really out of breath. I'm definitely recovered from my workout, so I don't really have an excuse right now. Nice sized balcony, and you could really take in those bay views from up here. This is like prime time real estate. So you can see downtown skyline. Just north of there, you've got glimpses of Coronado Island, and even looking a little further, you can see the silhouette of Cabrillo and Point Loma. This whole thing in the evenings for sunsets looks spectacular. And I guess this is the master. It doesn't feel much like a primary suite, to be honest. You do have some nice windows, but like, even if you put your bed right here, I don't know about you, but I like a TV in my room when I'm in my bedroom. Having a TV all the way over here, this is probably an extra 15 feet between the bed and the TV. You'd need a big TV for that to even make sense. And then this bathroom is quite narrow, although the backlit, well, somewhat backlit. This is a little screwed up here. Backlit shelf is quite nice. But yeah, that's this house. Let me know what you think in the comments. Be sure to subscribe. And one of my biggest value propositions when I tell people, I come through all the listings to hit the market on a weekly basis and put them together. Hopefully this doesn't look too weird. I put them together in a newsletter every single Friday. I handpick the 3 best deals to hit the market every single week. And I go entry level, mid-range. So like mid-range, I usually go about 900 to up to 1.5 million. And then luxuries, anything above 2 million. And I'm always watching for the best deals in the San Diego metro area. So if you're interested in staying on top of the market and you want to subscribe, I've included a link to that in the description. So just hop on there and you'll never miss a hot deal in the San Diego market again. And I will see you in the next one.